The pirates are out to get you. Don't let them brand you with their mark. Piracy funds organised crime and will destroy our film and video industry. Piracy costs jobs and will destroy our music and publishing industry. Piracy funds terrorism and will destroy our development and your future enjoyment. Don't touch the hot stuff. Cool is copyright. Copyright is a matter of fact.
If you have any knowledge of the manufacture or sale of counterfeit film and video product or related software, please call our UK hotline on 020-8568-6646 or in the Republic of Ireland 01-882-8565. Your support can end the distribution of poor quality product.
Don't let the pirates burn a hole in your pocket.
Welcome to a whole new world of Disney magic, pure digital magic. Disney DVD brings the best of Disney and your family together for an unforgettable home entertainment experience. Disney DVD is the ultimate complement to your existing video system. With Disney DVD, you get more than a movie. You get an entire world of entertainment at your fingertips. Imagine your favorite Disney film in full digital color and cinema quality surround sound. And Disney DVD takes you beyond the movie, providing a range of magical benefits, such as rare deleted scenes, hilarious outtakes and bloopers, games that the family can play together. Plus, with Disney DVD Storytime, your family can share fun read-along experiences, and your whole family can sing along with your favorite Disney song. At the simple touch of your remote, it's all right at your fingertips, including fun and easy menus.
Prepare yourself to enter a world you have only imagined.
Imagine no rewind, no fast forward, and minimal storage space. With Disney innovation and magic behind them, Disney DVDs are breathtaking. Fun, interactive. A world filled with magical entertainment awaits you. The magic is at your fingertips. Disney DVD. Pure digital magic. Pure Disney fun.
In a castle deep in the forest, shadowed in the magic of a spell.
What is this place?
A prince turned into a beast.
A beast! A monstrous beast!
There's only one way for the spell to be broken. One hero with the power to break it.
We have to warn the beast.
And one man who wants to keep the spell alive.
We'll rid the village of this beast!
Wait!
Now! The beast is mine!
Walt Disney Classics presents the special edition of Beauty and the Beast. Now there's more to the adventure with an all-new musical sequence, Be Our Guest, in an adventure filled with mystery and magic on Disney DVD and video for a limited time only.
It's one of Disney's most loved animated classics.
Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil.
Oh dear.
And now,
Brace yourself.
it's an all-new film. 101 Dalmatians 2, Patch's London Adventure.
98, 99, 100,
You think I'm one of a kind, or just one of 101?
101. That's it.
Patch felt lost in a sea of spots.
Make room!
Until he learnt what it takes to become a one-of-a-kind hero.
Wow, one of a kind.
It's a one-of-a-kind film.
It's stunning, it's grand, It makes me smile a lot.
Walt Disney Pictures proudly presents 101 Dalmatians 2 Patch's London Adventure.
Patch was fantastic!
Only on Disney DVD and video.
The kennel's back this way. Go. Pick someone out.
You always remember your very first pet.
Are there any aminals in here?
Lilo knew she'd found her best friend.
Hi.
How?
Wow.
All of our dogs are adoptable. Except that one! What is that thing? Does it have to be this dog?
Yes, he's good. I can tell.
What she got was an alien named Stitch.
Oh, great! He's loose! Where is he?
A place called Hawaii.
And paradise will never be the same.
Hey!
You sure it's a dog?
Ew!
I have to take him back.
What about Ohana? Ohana means family. Family means nobody
gets left behind.
Or forgotten.
Which is precisely why you must now bring him back.
What, me?
Aliens are attacking my house.
Aloha!
Walt Disney Pictures presents
Stitch!
a story of loyalty,
Don't leave me, okay?
Okay.
friendship,
He came back.
Nobody gets left behind.
family,
Our family's little, but if you want, you could be a part of it.
and fun.
That's my puppy.
Lilo and Stitch.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog. You ain't never caught a rabbit. You ain't no friend of mine.
When you rent or buy a video, you need to know that the film you choose is suitable for the audience at home. To help you understand what the film is like, you can look at the certificate it has been given. This film has been classified PG. This stands for Parental Guidance and means that parents may wish to check the film before showing it to their children. If it's an action film, it might have some limited violence. If it's romantic, it might have some sexy scenes or very brief nudity. It might also contain some milder swear words. Video certificates are there to give you the chance to make the right choice. Thanks for listening.
Mr. Premier, I would like you to meet my new associate, Dr. Brooks. He's here for career day.
Oh, he's adorable.
He wants to be a dentist just like his dad. All right, let's see what's going on in there. Oh, boy.
Doctor, where's this guy?